this morning we're going to be putting the new engine into Misterton. But even more exciting, this morning we're going to be putting the new wheelhouse top onto Misterton. So by the end of the day, Misterton will look and feel very different, and we're really, really excited. So hopefully it's going to be a great day.
Good, hopefully it'll all go well.
Down there,
Yeah.
there will be an engine. An engine just hanging around, and Simon is dismantling the wheel because with the wheel in place the engine won't go through. So once the wheel's off, the lowering will be resumed. This is a tricky bit. Will the engine fit?
That's Whisker. What do we fit in?
That's perfect.
Down?
Yep.
Yeah, basically down.
You just need Good. a very flexible prop shaft.
It looks pretty lined up to me.
So Nate, where are you going?
I'm going to get the wheelhouse top.
And who are you going with?
Daniel.
Hi.
Hey, see you there. Nate's supervising the attachment of the wheelhouse. If it all goes wrong, we'll be blaming the Daniel Christopher Stephen Sparrow. Measuring the sides to see which is the longest side of the wheelhouse. Really want the shorter side sticking out the lorry as it goes along the road.
3 metres and 25.
Measured the sides and we calculated it and realised that although they spun it round and the shorter sides are actually now along the lorry and the wider sides are sticking out. So he's turning it around again to make sure it's definitely got the shorter side sticking out. One thing you can say about Daniel is he definitely does a thorough and good job. Really pleased with the way it's looking. I think Misterton's going to look absolutely marvellous. Quite excited to see, will it fit? Good luck Daniel and Nate transporting the wheelhouse. Arrived safe and sound in one piece at Hipperson's Boatyard. Well done Nate. And the wheelhouse has now arrived next to Misterton on the lorry, and so the next part of moving the wheelhouse and getting it onto Misterton is about to commence. And the heavens have opened as we start the work on moving the wheelhouse. Let's hope the rain doesn't get in the way, but the rain is helpful. so near and yet so far, but with a little bit more work and persuasion, I'm sure we're going to get there.
We've got about 3 inches gap.
New wheelhouse is on, the new engine is in. Not bad for a morning